Good evening, everyone. Hi, I'm Sandy, and welcome to my scrapyard. Tonight I wanted to share with you a journal I've completed. It is a soft cover journal made from craft text. The kit I've used with this, or in this journal, is Ephemera's Vintage Garden A Summer Prelude. And then I've also purchased the Summer Prelude 2 and the Summer Prelude add-ons. And I've had this kit for quite a few years, and I've recently found it in my drawer, so I thought I would put it together in a journal. And I think it turned out pretty good. So the measurements are 5 3/4 by 8 1/2, and it has a 1 3/8 inch spine. I've left the back blank. I've used the, I believe it's called a Tim Holtz book plate there. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I've had these forever. I've just lined it with a little bit of the, my cat. Always interfering. Apologies. I've layered a couple of the pages from the kit and put a little bit of lace on it. Now I have Mod Podged this cover, and I did Mod Podge the lace. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that or not. It turned out pretty good. The ink kind of got in the Mod Podge and made the cover a little darker than I had planned, but all in all, I think it turned out pretty good. Okay, so it consists of 5 signatures. I've used a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. It has 120 pages front and back. Let's see, what else? Seam binding closure. And inside, I've left the back and front inside covers blank to either journal on or to post pictures or anything you want to do with that. Apply a pocket, I guess. And yeah, we'll just do a quick flip through. There's some tags that came with the kit. And ephemera, I guess you're going to call it. I've just taken one of the cards and put a little bit of lace on the bottom, tacked it into the bottom. I've used some parchment paper and tea-stained paper throughout the journal. Super cute papers in this. I love the pinks and I think greens as we get in later on. This is a little Recollections, I guess, fabric doily that I got at my local Michael's store. And I've yet to use these, and I thought it turned out pretty good just to throw them in there with a paper clip and protect your little tags. Again, some seam binding for the top there. I've printed the doily image on all of the papers of the digital papers. A little Rita Donnelly flip with a butterfly and a doily and a little bit of eyelash trim there. And if I didn't print on the back of them, I've inked them all. Oops. There's a little. I think this was part of the Summer Prelude 2 kit, I believe. Oopsie. And again, another part of the tag that I've rounded the corner and just put a little bit of lace on there. And some more of the cards and ephemera that comes with the kit. I won't go really slow on this because if you want to stop and see it, you can always pause your video. Just a piece of the ephemera that I've folded in half and attached with a paper clip there. Can throw in a tag or some private journaling. I tried doing this video yesterday, and as I played it back, I was breathing so heavy, and I do apologize if you can hear my heavy breathing. Wearing these masks at work all day long has, I think, affected my breathing, but anyway, so I do apologize. This little template for this pocket I got from Which Craft Do You Do? She gave that free as, I believe, on her website. I just printed the template on the paper, one of the papers from the kit, and glued it together, and I thought it made a cute little addition to my tag there. Sorry. Love that little bird. And just an envelope pocket that I've made with a little bit of the journal paper and some of the ephemera that comes with it. A little, I guess it's a paper, what do they call that? Washi tape, fake washi tape. I've left the top open for a little bit more of the journal paper. Just folded that up. And I've glued it about there so that it doesn't go all the way to the bottom. And I've taken one of the cards and just folded it in half and put some extra journaling paper in there for a little booklet. Oh, that one I guess I forgot to put back in. I did the same with this card. I guess that must have been from my showing last night, sorry. Oh my goodness. So I just attached that to the bottom with a paper clip. And I found these paper clips in my mom's stash of stuff that she gave me after she passed away. And they are gorgeous. They're kind of, they're very old. The box is kind of withered away there. But I have like 100 paper clips now that I can use. I don't know how I didn't discover them earlier. But anyway, it's almost like they've got a coating on them. Like a plastic or something. I'm not sure. Anyway, they're nice and smooth to put on. And again, that must have been another piece of ephemera that I had on there. And I believe, yeah, there it is. I had it put on like that. And this is some of the ephemera from the add-on. My other paper clip. What else are we going to find that's been taken apart? I don't know. And I love this little bird paper. Just one of the little coin envelope things that are included in the kit. And the first time I made it, I put it together all wrong. And then I watched, I think her name is Debbie. I've watched her video on her, how she worked this kit. And it's shown how she did the envelope there. And then again, another Rita Donnelly pocket with a butterfly. And I think I got that from Tracy Fox or Artie Mays. I'm not sure. Punched the butterfly and yeah, another flip. And some more of the ephemera from the add-on and the kit. And here's some more cards, tags. And another card with lace on there. My journals are very plain. I like them nice and clean and simple. I'm going to attempt one day to make an eclectic journal with all of this stuff that I have left. But I don't know. It's not really my wheelhouse to do that. So I'm kind of anal that way. I like everything nice and neat and organized. So we'll have to see how that goes. Oh, there's my darn cat again. Hi, Milo. This is how I had thought the envelope went, but I tucked everything in. It works this way as well. Milo, psst. Sorry. I think if Wendy were ever watching this video, she'd be cursing me for scooching my cat down. Hi, Milo. He likes to lay up on this table when I'm not recording. So anyway, there's another one of those fabric doilies. Another part of the little tag that I've made there. Oh, now we're purring. As long as he keeps his paws out of here, I think we're good. I've just taken some of the book page on the back of cardstock and cut it in half. And then I've used it with some trim there, and I thought we could use it as a bookmark. There we go. And coming to the end here, I will put everybody's link for any of the things that I've used here. I believe if I can find it, if I know how to link the Facebook things for the freebies, I will do that. I haven't used the seam binding for closing it because I don't want to get it all wrinkled. Just in case I should sell it, I'd like it to be received as good as new. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my journal. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. And I do appreciate new subscribers. I have another video coming up. I'm going to be doing, it was supposed to be a 300 subscriber giveaway, but unfortunately I missed that. I didn't do any posting through the summer. And I yeah, I've reached just over 350, so it's pretty exciting. It's taken a long time to grow my channel. I don't do a lot of videos, so anyway, I'll be posting that video next. It's a blank journal, and I'm going to include all of the ephemera that came with the kit in that giveaway. And it's going to be, oops, I don't know how that got in there. It's going to be open to everyone. So again, thanks for watching me go through my journal, and I hope you all have a great evening. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.